Okie dokie. So first I'm gonna do my makeup, and I haven't done a get ready with me in a long time, so it's actually kind of weird for me to not actually be like going step by step with what I'm doing and actually just talking to you guys. So I've been doing a lot of makeup since I've been quarantined, and because I've been using so much makeup and because it's all for photos and video, I haven't been using my best foundation because I feel like my best foundation is really best in person, and I haven't seen any people except for James and the occasional human that I pass on my daily walks. I'm actually using a Smashbox foundation today, and it's actually a really decent foundation. It's just a little bit dry for my skin. It just doesn't have the same finish that my double wear does that I like to wear. So I pretty much almost never contour, but I've been doing a little bit of contour right now and just a little bit of bronzing just because I've been inside the house. Even like my daily walks, I'm not getting as much sun as I usually get, which is not necessarily a bad thing skin cancer wise and skin health wise. However, I feel like my skin has gotten really pale and I've lost a little bit of my natural color, so I'm doing a little bit more of this than I usually do. So because I'm doing an Easter look, I'm going a little bit heavier with blush because I want to look happy. We're gonna fool them all today. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with my eye makeup right now. I have this little Sugarpill Sparkle Baby palette, and it feels very Eastery. The skirt I'm wearing is actually similar to this color, so maybe I'll match, maybe I'll add some pink. It's really weird, like I never really even celebrate Easter. I'm not a religious person, but Easter is always a Viva weekend, so like last year on our way home, Jimmy's mom and grandma live in Vegas, so we stopped and had brunch with them. That was gonna be like our new tradition, and now our tradition has ended before it has began. Ooh, it's like a pretty metallic. Oh, God. I don't wear metallic eyeshadow very often, so I love Sugarpill shadows. They make such good like matte colored shadows, but I also love their palette shadows because they're always really I don't want to go too crazy because I do have a live Q&A after this, and I don't want to look too costumey. Not that pinup ever isn't kind of costumey, but I'm not going to go too buck wild. It's really weird doing like springy Easter makeup. Makeup? When it's storming outside behind the camera. Because I kind of do like a rainbow blend of this. It's not Easter if you're not wearing pastels. I have this black dress with this like dark red velvet Sacred Heart on it, and it felt very Catholic, which to me feels very Eastery, but it was black. I was like, that's like not much of a departure from what I normally wear, so it's very Barbie-ish. Do I want pie or pencil? I've been like really into penciling my eyebrows lately. I also had my brows laminated like last month. It didn't last a super long time, but it gave me sort of like a new feeling for how I want to style my brows, and I'm really liking not like bushy, but like a fuller brow. I've really embraced since I had my brow laminated. So when they were laminated, they literally like looked like this all the time. It was super weird, but it was cool because I could kind of brush them in the way that I wanted them to be. I have really unruly, wiry brows that grow in all different directions, and they get really long and they curl. So lamination was great for me. If you guys don't know what lamination is, it's essentially like a brow perm to make them straight. So they stay straight and they stay up, especially for you guys whose eyebrows grow down. And it is a service I will be offering once the world opens up again. So if anybody wants to come see me and get their brows laminated. And when I do pencil, I always have to use brow gel because I do have really unruly brows. Alrighty, let's do some eyeliner. I'm just gonna do black because I've done such pastel otherwise. I'm not sure how I like this. This is Rimmel Scandaleyes Precision Liner, and I usually use a different liquid liner on my inner corners. I usually use a felt tip, more waterproof liner on my inner corners because my eyes are really watery, especially right now my allergies are bad. But this Rimmel seems to like really bleed, even though it's supposed to be a no budge. The idea of a get ready with me video always seems so strange to me. Like, I'm just sitting here talking to you guys randomly. I guess it would be different if there was something exciting happening in my life that I could actually talk about. But I've already told you guys about my book release, and everything else in the world has been canceled. Do you guys even like these videos? I don't know. I've been requested to do them, and I haven't done one in a while. I mean, I'm not going anywhere, so a get ready with me video right now seems strange because it's like get ready with me to do my puzzle and then read some Harry Potter. So basically it's like, let me put on my pajamas and wipe the crumbs off of my face. I'm very fortunate to have big eyes sometimes. Sometimes. Oh, son of a bitch. Got a little dot on my lid. That's okay. If you ever mess up your mascara, wait until it's dry and then it'll just flake right off. But if you try to take it off when it's still wet, it'll smudge. These are by House of Lashes and they are Midnight Luxe. It's another thing I'm trying to like really conserve my lashes, so I've been reusing. But the good thing about House of Lashes is that they actually last for approximately 1,000,000 years, so they are good. I hope everybody is holding up all right out there. I'm trying my best to give you guys all kinds of new content all over the place. So there's stuff for you to watch to keep you entertained, to make you feel connected. Because I know the kind of like the hardest thing right now is being away from other human beings. I mean, at least for me, that's like where I'm struggling. So, and if you guys are watching this when the world is back to normal and opened up again, then yay! It's a very strange time. So my battery pack died just as I was putting this lash on. So if you want to see me put it on, I happened to have been filming with my other camera for my week in the life video. So if you check out my week in the life video, life is weird, man. This is life right now. I am alone in my house with 2 cameras on me, talking essentially to myself, putting a full face of makeup with lashes on to then continue sitting alone in my house and talking to you guys on Instagram Live, but still a very weird time. Is anyone else's allergies horrible right now? It's like every time I go out, it's like Jimmy and I will sit in the car right before we're about to go out of the car and I have to get all my coughs out. I have to like cough 18 times just to feel like I've expended my coughing mechanism so that I don't get dirty looks when I'm in the post office. I need to just have a shirt and a hat made that say I have allergies. Another thing I'm getting better at is replying to my comments. I've been really bad just because, you know, life gets busy and I kind of have to prioritize filming and making content and stuff over commenting or replying. I've always tried to answer like most of the questions, but right now, and I always do read all of my comments, but right now I'm definitely doing a better job at replying to stuff and interacting with you. Especially if you have questions, now is the time to ask. This one is Oh Honey. It's a Trixie Mattel. It does have a little bit of shimmer, but when in Rome. I don't even know what that means, but here we go. Not too shabby. Good lord, I need to trim my nose hairs. I don't know if pink is my color. Light pink. I like hot pink. I don't know. What do you guys think? I feel very innocent. Now it's time to do some crimes. Just kidding. I don't do crimes. All right, makeup is done. We'll do some hair and see what happens. So this is the rare glimpse into my bathroom. I don't often do things in here. It's pretty boring. But this is where I do my hair. So there you go. I've been doing one-on-one sessions, like Skype lessons with you babes, probably some of those of you watching this. So my hair is actually really oily right now from all the hair pomade I've been using. So I'm not gonna really use any pomade today like I usually would. I'm gonna do an updo just because I feel like that's more springy, and also because my hair is a little oily. I don't really like to wear it down when it's oily just because it's kind of gross. Man, I need to clean my toilet. So I got the back of my neck tattooed last year and they had to shave into my hairline to do it, which at the time I was like, yeah, cool, no problem. Now, good lord, mine was literally like a couple centimeters of hair and it's the most annoying thing. Almost as annoying as my grays. So this is probably like one of the fastest, easiest hairstyles. I don't really know how other people do get ready with me's. I don't really watch other YouTubers. I know I'm a bad YouTuber, but I don't have time. So I'm just kind of bringing you guys along with me as I get ready. I don't know if people do like voiceovers or if they even talk at all. I have no idea, but I am, so there you go. I know these little baby hairs aren't gonna stay, but my wishful thinking is hoping they will. Another good thing right now is that every hairstyle I do, you don't see from the back because I'm not in public. So I can make everything look amazing from the front and really crappy in the back. Just sprayed myself right inside of my ear hole. Life is hard. I've done this style on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok, so you can find it a million places. It's just a different variation with the bun versus a curly ponytail. Alrighty, now the magic happens. My hair is a little bit fuzzier than usual just because I've been styling it so much in the last few days. But you know what? There's nobody here to judge me. Only God. And it's Easter. God doesn't judge on Easter. My bouffant is in my way. There we go. Oh, I kind of like it. Usually I put it flat against my head, but I kind of like it out like this. Done. And now it's time to change. And now my skirt. And now some jewelry and shoes. But I'll show you those in my living room because you can't really see my feet right now. I guess you still kind of can't see my shoes, but here are my shoes. And here is my beautiful outfit. And that's it for my Easter Get Ready With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I feel like I'm really far away from everybody. Maybe I'll get a little closer. Movie magic! So this is my finished look. I don't have backings in my earrings, so I hope they're not falling out of my ears. But happy Easter to everybody, whether you celebrate it family-wise or religious-wise. Not many of us are celebrating it today, but still, happy Easter. We need to keep traditions alive as we are all in this together. And if you guys want to see any more outfit of the days, please let me know. If you want to see themed outfit of the days, please let me know. Themes are always more fun for me to work from. Do I look naked? I look naked. I'm not naked. I swear, I'm wearing a shirt. All right, that's it. See you guys next time.